thought standing beside Bob Proctor, I'd have just had the answers. I'd have just been successful. You know what it says? It goes, get up at 5 o'clock in the morning. You've got to write your affirmations out. You've got to do your gratitude. You've got to, oh my goodness, a whole more list of shoulda, woulda, couldas. Like, and then you beat yourself up because you didn't do them. And then you know all this stuff, but you're not getting the results. So you beat yourself up again, even more. Well, that was me. I don't know if anybody else does that, but this is certainly me. And what I realized was what Bob had taught us was like how to think, which would calm the mind down, which would bring order to the mind. And when we brought order to the mind, then we could start to see ourselves. Then we could start to hear the answers to our questions. Then I realized I was the only one. The I am is the only one who has the answers to my questions. Nobody else. And Bob, I realized that I'm the star, and Bob taught us this, you know, I'm the star of my story. And I called Bob into my story as a secondary character. So many times we put people on a pedestal thinking they've got the answer, but he just taught us how to think. It would calm ourselves